Coucou tout le monde! Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 best apps, website and podcast to complement your French learning. These resources are great for all levels, from A1 to C2, so from beginners to advanced learners. You will find pronunciation, vocabulary, listening. There's something for everyone. And the tools I will share with you have helped many of my students to go from zero to a solid B2 level and stay until the end because the last two, actually, they are like podcasts. The last two podcasts I'm going to show you are usually my students' favorites. They are really helpful and not so famous. So, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you are already taking my course. But if not, you will find the link in the description to start your complete French course from scratch. Okay, let's start with the first uh, apps. It's the most famous one, I'm sure. You already know it, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this one, but I'm just gonna present you really quick. If it's not the case, it is a Duolingo, okay? As I told you when you take my course, when you are learning French or any language, you don't have to do only one thing to learn. No, you have to use every options you have. So it's good to use Duolingo like every day. You can do it like just 5 minutes. 10 minutes would be best, 10, 15 minutes per day. It's great. You can use it on your phone, and I think it's really a good complement to my course because you can do a lot of vocabulary exercise, or you can work the sentence structure, okay? And you can enrich your vocabulary, your conjugation. So it's I know like people sometimes no, I don't like Duolingo. For me, you have to use both a French teacher, but also Duolingo or any similar application is good. Okay, so don't be shy to use it. It's free and it's a good complement. Okay, you can find it on iPhone or Android, anything. Ok, WordReference, un excellent dictionnaire en ligne avec des exemples d'usage et un forum pour poser des questions linguistiques. Alors, today with AI, l'intelligence artificielle, many people don't use anymore dictionary, but I think this one, it's still the best one. WordReference.com, wordreference.com. I'm gonna show you. I love this dictionary. I use it a lot for French, English, Spanish. It's really, really complete. Why I like it? Because they give you not only one definition, but they give you a lot of examples. And you can find also in the websites, sometimes you don't find like the expression or the exact translation, but some people use a forum and has the same question as you. I don't know, for example, ménage, okay? You want to understand the meaning of the word the ménage in French. So you're gonna find like the different meaning. For example, ménage, tâche domestique. Ménage can means houseworks, cleaning, but it can also mean like couple. And you have like some example in French and the translation in English. Okay? And it's not the only meaning, okay? And then you're gonna find like similar words or expression that use the word ménage, for example, briseur de ménage, faire bon ménage, faire du ménage. So sometimes it's not just finding the meaning of one word, it can be a lot of things. Femme de ménage, Heureux en ménage. There's so many things to do. Ménage à trois. Remue-ménage. Okay, there is a lot of things. And here, that's what I told you. For example, forum. Uh, People, I don't know, found in a text this thing and they can't understand. So they ask the meaning to other people and they answer them. So you can just click there and you're gonna find the answer. Okay? Euh, le troisième site, the third website I'm gonna show you is le conjugueur, like the conjugator. It's a very simple tool to find the conjugation of any verb. Why I like it? Because it's really easy. It's like an old school website. There is like no advertisements. Okay. I don't know. For example, comment conjuguer ce verbe? How to conjugate this verb? You just click there. Pimp. And you're gonna find all the conjugation with all the tense. Okay. Easy, quick. For me, the best one. Sometimes don't have to use complicated tools. Okay. Okay. This one, Forvo, it's not famous at all. But it's a good thing to work your pronunciation, especially if you are still on the beginner's level or even intermediate. What is it, Forvo? It is a pronunciation dictionary. Une base de données où des locuteurs natifs prononcent les mots et les phrases en français. It's a database where like native French speakers pronounce the words and the sentence in French. So it's really useful because sometimes, even today with the, I don't know, chat GPT, the intelligence, artificial intelligence, it's not so great. For example, you don't know how to pronounce this sentence, okay? We eat, nous mangeons. You can write the sentence and you can listen to the pronunciation.
Nous mangeons.
Okay, nous mangeons. And there you have many other examples. Nous mangeons du riz.
Nous mangeons du riz.
Nous mangeons le sucre.
Nous mangeons le sucre.
Okay, and it's different people, French people, who are pronouncing this sentence. So you can listen different French accent. Okay, it's not only in French. And I just found that you can also, for example, essential phrase, drinks, banking, everyday phrases, flirting, for example. You can listen like French sentence to flirt. For example, what's your name? Comment vous
Comment
appelez-vous?
vous appelez-vous?
What do you do?
Que fais-tu?
Okay, you're really cute.
Tu es vraiment mignon.
Okay. Prochaine ressource. TV5 Monde, I don't know if you know this. TV5 Monde is a TV channel. So if you got like cable TV, or I don't know, any, I don't know, Sky, I don't know the name of the platform you use, but it is the international French TV. So maybe you already know it, but maybe what you don't know it, but they have a website also to learn French. So it's very good to watch like authentic video and do a complementary exercise. It's for all level also. Let's find this website. So it's like apprendre. Apprendre means learn. Hein? Apprendre.tv5monde.com/fr. So you can choose a level A1 débutant, A2 élémentaire, B1 intermédiaire, B2 avancé. Par exemple, niveau A1 débutant, you can find 827 exercices. It's a lot of things. Hein? And you can choose a different theme, logement, vie quotidienne, politique, cinéma, etc. Quatre exercices voyage, nos vêtements, like the clothes. Bonjour, okay? For example, in my course, we just see how to say hello. So what's you can see here, A1, niveau A1. And they say 1, regardez, watch. 2, écouter, listen, listen, and interculturel. So you can start the first exercise. Commencez l'exercice 1. Bienvenue au collège Massillon. Regardez la vidéo sans le son. Alors, you have to watch the video without the sound. Et observez les images et les mots à l'écran. Cochez les bonnes réponses. So, you have to watch first this video without the sound, and you can already answer this. Okay? And after, I guess, when you answered, you have to watch it with the sound. I remember this video. We're gonna watch it with the sound. You can listen like some children saying hi in French. It's just 1 minute.
Bonjour. Salut. Coucou, ça va? Je m'appelle Romain, donc je suis au collège Massillon.
Salut, je m'appelle Louis, L-O-U-I-S.
Bah moi je m'appelle Raphaël. Moi c'est Mila et moi c'est Inès. Il y a un trou.
Okay, hein, you can see like authentic French. Hein. Coucou, salut, moi je m'appelle, moi c'est, ça, moi je m'appelle Stéphane, moi c'est Steph. It's like really authentic children using French. It's for A1 level, but if you are like advanced level, you're gonna find a lot of resources in this website. Ok. La ressource suivante, I think it's might be one of my favorites. It is RFI. It means Radio France Internationale. Journal en français facile. You can find it on Google like this. Just write this, journal en français facile. What is it? It's like the simplified news in French. So every day, or maybe from Monday to Friday, something like this, they publish a 10 minutes TV news in French, but in easy French. For example, écoutez le dernier épisode, hein, françaisfacile.rfi.fr. This is this website. Listen to the last episode. Why I like it? You have the transcription.
RFI, il est 17h à Paris, 16h en temps universel. Bienvenue.
Le journal
En français facile. Margot Ratézic.
Au sommaire, Madagascar et un nouveau gouvernement qui ne semble pas répondre aux demandes de la jeunesse en colère. Décryptage dès le début de ce journal.
Okay, so it's like a easier French, or if you are like the first level, A1 level, it might be difficult to understand, but still you can discover like many words on maybe in today's news they are talking about Madagascar. Maybe you're not interested in this. They are talking about also about Gaza or about tennis. Maybe okay. So many sad news, so maybe you just want to listen about like tennis news. You can go there directly and you can listen about Carlos Alcaraz, the tennisman.
Redoute
And
la tempête du
it's like easy to use. And the good thing is that you can put also in slower French, like in speed 0,9, 0,9 or 75%, 75%. Okay? So I recommend maybe once in a week, or if you can every day, to listen the news in French. It's gonna be very good to progress in listening and discover like French vocabulary. Et finalement, finally, the last podcast I want to share with you, it's on YouTube. It's called Easy French. It's also one of my favorites and my students' favorites. Easy French is a project to help you learn French in an authentic and fun way. We interview people in the street of Paris and other places of the French-speaking world. And there is also super easy French if you are beginners. So they speak in a slower French. But why it is good? Because it's also maybe, I think, every week there is a new video. You can see I already have 1 million subscribers. And they go randomly in the street of Paris or other cities in France or in other French-speaking countries. And they ask people different things. There is one question per day, so you're gonna have different answers, different accents. It's really good. The videos are short. It's like 7 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's something you can do at least, yeah, one video a week. It can be a good thing to use. So definitely use these resources. Ok, c'est fini, c'est terminé. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt.